Hello friends, welcome to the channel Orange Blast. I am Meghna. In today's video, I am going to show you an activity of cooking without fire. So today we are going to make nacho sandwich. It's going to be an interesting activity. Stay tuned. For this, we'll be needing slices of bread, cheese slice, cucumber salad, butter and nachos. Okay, so we'll take the slice of bread and spread butter. After this, we'll put a cheese slice. Then we will put the cucumber. No, first we'll put the nachos. And then we'll sprinkle some cucumber salad. So our sandwich is ready, and now we will put it in the sandwich maker and heat it. So our nacho cheese sandwiches are ready. These are very tasty and healthy also. I hope you like this video. For more fun-based activity learning, subscribe Orange Blast, and you can also follow Orange Blast on Instagram. Thank you.